you. I love you. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey.
Oh, fuck.
That's it. Got him. Clear.
Whoa! Oh, that was funny. I had Junior, Gingy, Alberto, and then the other guy all bottlenecked on my own. Got him again.
I'm sorry. I wanted to say bang bang, but that didn't work last time.
Oh, don't worry, I'll be back fast enough to get you in anyways.
It's okay.
Ah. Ow. Come on, we're in the spawn. Spawn!
Spawn area. This is your spawn. You're attacking the respawn, that's what you get.
Oh, that fucking stung.
This one there. Like posting.
Ah. Oh, there he is. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah, I see him. He's in the alcove.
Last out. I have no balls.
Oh.
You got me at the end. Good trade, dude.
Well, I mean, you nailed me when you were behind the other thing. Like, you got me twixt the thing, so. That'll scare the crap out of him. Yeah, always clear. Do not come through that door right now. Because they're up top of the saloon shooting down into here. So I'm gonna... Don't put your head too high. There's nobody down here. There's nobody down here. Not this close. Pardon me. Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck. Time to get to my home.
I think you hit it. Is it? Oh, wait, no.
Did they make you switch teams? 'Cause I feel like you started on our team.
Yeah, I did, but Lucas wanted to give Orange a fighting chance, and I'd say I did pretty good. Your ass got lucky, because I'm like, I crossed the doorway of church right as you were running to the jail, and then right as I go to look through it, I'm like, I see you, and then you just disappear off the ramp. I'm like, fuck, so close. Ah, fuck, that's hurt. Got one. Got another one.
No!
Shit.
Do it. This is annoying part though.
Got him.
Okay? Bump.
Yep.
Go this way. This way. Throw it there. Like that.
Yeah, that doesn't work so well with me. If I'm not like right on top of it, I don't get it. Yeah.
Build this here. Build this way.
Alright.
Don't go this way because there's ice.
Yes.
This way. Ready? Alright, go, move. We got you.
Yeah.
Alright, someone can rush out.
Oh.
Who got the film? You having fun?
Oh, totally.
You look like you're having fun.
Where is it?
Right up into the left of the door.
Got him. I don't see the bomb.
The bomb's right on the outside of the hole.
Oh, that's why.
I can grenade the inside.
Nobody's gotten inside yet.
I'll grenade it.
You just love using those.
Of course. Well, boom, here we go.
All right. Oh, so close. Whew. Got him.
How much time we got?
Right shield, right shield, right shield. Right shield coming? Right shield coming up. Alright. Who's that behind me?
Who do you think? Well, actually, you wouldn't think, because I'm never usually up this far.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really think at all.
And our snipers are on the right, too.
We're gonna have a little co-op sniper battle, probably. Oh! Holy shit!
Got the right
What
shield?
a fucking shot! His elbow poking out of the riot shield through the house.
Nice.
Uh-oh, one right ahead of us.
Boom, boom! Hey, let's go, boys!
We just all died.
Yeah. I'm gonna get to carry my weapons to the next game.
I was gonna say, have you ever played Counter-Strike?
Fuck no.
Yeah,
I lost my weapon.
Yeah, bomb goes on, you're next to it. Oh shit.
Oh.
Get the fuck out of here.
What are you looking for?
The piece that's...
Oh, you're fucked.
Yeah.
Where did it land? Roughly.
Hopefully around here.
Right there.
Oh.
That was just like a one in a million thing. I'm like, wait a minute, that looks new.
It is new. That's why. Thank you.
Oh, back up to me. Woo, boy. Ah, fuck. Move, squid. What happened?
Oh, I got fucking straight in the knuckle.
Oh. Shit. Damn it. Oh, that was Gingy. Yeah, I got one that's behind that spool. Shit.
There's so many of them.
Ah, fuck.
I easy the grenade over the wall and nothing.
Good shot, dude. Right in the eyeball. Yeah, get the tank up. Go press him.
Oh boy. They're in the buildings. Why did I get myself in this position? There's one behind a spool in front of me.
There's one yet, and there's one over here too.
Got him. All right, I'm moving for the bigger spool down the way so I can stand up better. I'm going straight ahead. Oh, one's right, coming up. Oh, I can't do this much longer. Oh. 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 I couldn't hold that anymore. That was a very uncomfortable position.
I don't know why you chose that one.
I didn't think there was that many. Oh. Oh. That was quite the glute stretch.
I just shot a fucking hole through some kid's gun.
Huh? How?
Dude, it's someone that's like, cheap.
I want to try and get to that other spool that was bigger.
Dude, let's do it. I'll provide cover fire. Hold on, let me get to the spawn real quick. Oh, that's ours in the woods. Hold on.
Oh, he's out. All right, I'm gonna try and get to that big spool down at the end.
My shit just jammed.
Oh, you're fucked. All right, well. Hope you brought a spare. Yeah, you're locked up.
Yep. I got a hop in there. I got a TV stuck in there. I think someone shot.
You think someone shot straight down your barrel?
Imagine. How the fuck? Hold on.
All right, well, I'm making my move.
I can't cover, but I can provide distraction. Yo, there's two coming on the outside over here. Around the barrel.
Oh, there's one right there. Got him. Ah, fuck. Oh. Well, I drew one guy out. The guy that went after me drew himself out inadvertently. Yeah, they're right on top of us. Oh boy! Oh, oh fuck! Oh. Another one down. Ah, fuck. You good, Gingy? You okay?
No, I'm not okay. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, my leg. Oh.
What did you do?
I'm still waiting for it.
Okay.
You died already?
Yeah.
How far you go?
Almost to the fences.
Oh.
Then I got sidetracked by Gingy, who ate shit.
Oh, haha.
Like, I look up and I see his feet in the air. And then he just sprawled out and, I mean, look at him.
Dad? You alright? Apparently you ate shit?
I hope I got it on film.
No.
He ate shit. And his feet went in the air like a cartoon character.
Oh, I'm gonna sit down real quick.
Yes.
Like, yeah, I looked up and, like, as I was running forward, like, I look up and your feet were, like, halfway up in the air.
There's like shit in my PC.
Your what?
There's like shit inside of my PC.
Your PC?
Yeah.
Plate carrier.
There's like sticks in my plate carrier.
When people say PC, I'm thinking computer. My bad.
Yeah, it took me a second to register that one.
Oh, I don't know. You say PC, I'm like, wait, what computer? Are you carrying a computer? The Airsoft field? That's different.
Like,
Mine's a hand-me-down of a hand-me-down of a hand-me-down, so.
I got like 4 of these.
Shit so bad.
He ate shit real bad.
Dude, I did a somersault.
He did a cartoon character moment.
You got that?
Wait, so what happened to your ankle? What happened?
Dude, I like fell in a. I fell in like a
Go,
hole.
go, go, go. It like rolled up.
Ugh.
It's not iron, are they? Fucking Christ.
Reloading. Wait, should I right now? Sorry, Mike.
Oi. Shit. Ow.
After our last respawn, they just oh you go to sleep. Make hands. Go turn. Go turn. That's how most people do.